How do you proceed with something when you have genuinely no idea what you're working with? Hey guys, last week I was out sick. I just got back to the office today. Gabe and the entire team here have held it down for me. And this was sitting on my desk. This little mysterious bag of pearls from our buddies over at KP Pigments. And I asked Gabe, what is this little guy? And Gabe said,
no idea.
Gabe said that. So I called Peter and I was like, dude, why do we have a mystery bag of pearls on my desk? And he goes, well, you seem to enjoy that Prototype HyperShift that we were working on a couple weeks ago. And I was like, yeah, that thing was awesome. He's like, just give it a try. So is this another Prototype HyperShift? Or is he baiting us and this is just going to be, because how would you describe this green, Gabe?
It's a very minty green.
Minty?
Yeah.
We don't have a mint green pearl, so let's not get our hopes up yet. We have obviously not opened it or sprayed it. This could be a badass, brand new mint green pearl, which would be awesome in its own right. I wouldn't hate that, wouldn't be disappointed. It also could be another Prototype HyperShift.
That's what I'm leaning towards.
But I haven't seen any color on it. I mean, there's like a bit of a shimmer, right? But it's not flying from like this mint to like a pink or a orange.
I see a little pinkish purple in there.
I'm gonna go conservative. I'm gonna go, I'd love to see another Prototype HyperShift, but I would also genuinely not be upset about a mint green. Pigment load?
We could keep it low in case it is a HyperShift. And then if we notice after the first coat, it's not, then we could always up it.
How do you proceed with something when you have genuinely no idea what you're working with? Little powder test? Let's see. Yeah, there's not much. I don't know what I see. Are you sure you're not just seeing like the red of my finger underneath the green?
It could be.
Because we only do one intro for videos like this. So if we hype it up and then it ended up being, let's not overhype. Let's not overhype. Pigment load, what would be the safe bet?
12.5
Per gallon or total?
12.5 per gallon.
Well, if it's 12.5 and this is a 25 gram, let's not assume. If it's 12.5 and this is a 25 gram bag, then just dump the whole thing in.
Yeah.
Well, that's easy. All right. Let's see. Dude, this is a gorgeous green. If it's just this green, I am genuinely going to be just fine with it. You seeing anything? I'm seeing nothing.
I get hints of purple.
I think you're bugging out.
Pinkish purple.
There's the slightest purpley pink hue on the top, but the slightest. I am seeing this creamy, pistachio lime, citrusy green right now, and I'm loving it. The black base will be the wrong base if that's this pearl. Okay, stick of truth, never lies, except most of the time. All right, I'm seeing green. I'm seeing green. Wait a minute. Wait. Green. Wait. Am I bugging?
I see purple.
I can never see what's on your side of the. Okay. Well, there's only one way to find out. What are we calling this? Give me a random word. Gabe loves being on the spot.
Mint Dream.
Mint Dream Pearl going on the M3. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with today's project. Now, when I came back to work and I saw that nondescript random bag of pearl on my desk, I didn't know what to expect. And I'm not gonna lie, even up through mixing, I kind of thought it was gonna be a new kind of honeydew color green. Never had anything like that before. There's no way to predict stuff like this. I'm not even gonna say anything about it. We're gonna take it outside right now and let the car speak for itself. It's completely bonkers. Apparently there's already a name ready to go for this pearl. It is ZGS HyperShift, brand new, launches for the very first time today. There's a link in the description box below. I'm not gonna lie, I thought Gabe's Mint Dream name had a little bit more pizzazz to it, but to be fair, Mint Dream doesn't even come close to describing what this pearl looks like anymore once it's sprayed. It's completely insane. KP Pigments has made a bit of a habit now of working on something nuts behind the scenes in secret and then just dropping it on my lap and letting me experience it for the first time along with you guys, which I actually think is pretty fun. If you want to dip your own car, click right up here. We have all of our kits in one place. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun. I'll see you on the next one.